Welcome back to another video and what we think is the last portion of this whole rebuild. Today we're working on specifically the reassembly. Everything has been painted. They'll give you a little look at it before that actually gets put back on. Any words?
No.
No words. All right, guys, so we're gonna get straight into work today. Honestly, from this point of view, it's been a couple months with the car. We're taking a lot longer than we should. I'm tired of this car. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at. Last video, I hope, before we can actually run through the whole title process that I think we forgot about. Hey. Yeah, so this is first car on the channel, obviously, and we'll see how many more we work on after this.
Yeah, I'm going to reassemble the front bumper, a few miscellaneous parts that go on there, but I will do a checkup as soon as I'm done. Alright, I lied. So Ricky, the professional technician here, fully reassembled the front bumper.
More enthusiasm. You think people want to hear you talking like that? Like you're bored? Are you bored? No. Pretend like you're talking to the homies.
So yeah, front bumper is fully assembled. We just gotta finish up the front end. Hopefully we don't run into any more hiccups.
Hopefully, which we are known to do.
So we can record what the fuck he does. You don't fucking bring the right tool.
I'm not supposed to know.
What? Didn't he send us a picture last weekend?
He did.
I was gonna take this and replace it, but I don't have my tool.
Did he switch you up?
I switch up on anybody.
This
If they wrong.
Hey, you ain't never switch up on me, bitch. Anyways, this should be the very last day of working on it. There is a sensor that is still coming up on here, so we'll show you that in a little bit. But of course, like he just said, the part needed is not in hand, so I guess we gotta go get it again. Pick the hottest day to do.
We did take a whole year to rebuild this car. It's not your fault, but
Yeah, I know it's not my fault.
It's not your fault.
hey, it's not your fault.
What are you doing right now?
Fuck, it looks like I'm doing.
So at this point, we've had 2 videos out. Our number one complaint is audio. Just speak up.
Get the good angle on him.
Thinking about you when I'm gone. Like that.
Took off this.
What is this? For the people watching at home that don't know.
Ah.
Seatbelt buckle.
This will fix it.
But find out.
Is there for the front or for the back? I thought you said the ones in the back were regular boats.
Don't worry about it. Don't complain, just put them on.
Se llevan, pero no se aguantan. Deja, desgraciado. Estoy hablando.
Estoy respondiendo.
¿Metes la no?
¿Qué le meto?
Yo, all right, bro.
Madre,
Chill out for like 1 second. Damn.
¿Qué traes, loco?
¿Qué traes este loco?
Este.
Get inside.
He's sassy. You thirsty, Chago?
Bro, you knew already. 90 degrees, man.
So we're just cleaning up the emblems because I believe these are like $320.
Exhibit A.
Más un puto dedo, ¿verdad? Y aquí son 2. Y aquí son 3. Ya, güey.
Why is this easy part taking so long?
Because it needs to be perfect.
I guess. All right, it's finally about that time. As you can see, it is very dirty. It's been in need of a wash for the longest. Gonna give it a nice little detail. Gonna go nice and thoroughly. Interior is not too bad. We do have some work on the seats, but we got a little schmicks here, got some tape here. All that has to go. So can you shut the fuck up? The charger is complete. It has been fully assembled. Nice, clean, washed. We don't got no Christmas tree or nothing. So there goes the 2021 wide body Charger Scat Pack. It's done and it's ready for sale. The rebuild process is completely done. That took about, what, 3 weeks or so? Yeah, inspection was quick, easy peasy. Title is finally in hand, ready for sale. So this is hitting OfferUp, this is hitting Facebook. If your mama needs one, if your grandma needs one, you know where to find one.
No, don't put my phone
But yeah, that brings us to the final portion of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. We'll see what project is next. We'll see what video is next, and I don't know, we'll see what's in store for this channel. But that's finally done. It took us, like I said the last time, way longer than it should have been. I don't even want to give you a number, but once it's finally sold, we'll give you an update on our cost. We'll see if we're in the green, we'll see if we're in the red. Pray to God we're in the green, because a profit is necessary. Some of our predictions we already have in here, but we'll leave that for the next video. We thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the support, all the input. See you guys in the next video.